What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about or looking at upgrading your laptop? Have you thought about the Dell XPS 15, the 9570? Well, that's what we're going to be unboxing today, so stick around after this amazing intro. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the reviews to help give you the easy choice. Today we're going to be unboxing the Dell XPS 15 9570 with 4K screen, the 512 megabyte hard drive, 16 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, so before we get started, I do want to let you know that I have had some cool things going on. I did get some t-shirts made, so let me move this out of the way. You can kind of see Easy Choice Reviews, LLC. If you want those, you can get those t-shirts in variations of colors, sizes, and t-shirt styles at teespring.com/stores/easychoicereviews. Any purchases you make, I will get the profit from. So I definitely appreciate the support from anybody who purchases any. Now let's get to it. So this laptop is going to be replacing my Microsoft Surface Pro 6. I was going to do a live, I was going to try and do a live video for you guys. I got a Camlink capture card, the 4K capture card, but I got it all set up, got the software installed, got it working with the Sony camera that I have. Everything works great, except as soon as I go to stream anything, it just kills the computer altogether. Just shuts down. It just doesn't have the power to run that kind of setup. So I'm not going to be able to do any live videos until we get this XPS set up, because we know that's going to have the power to get that going live for you. I do want to start a conversation. I want you guys to let me know, what do you think about live videos? Do you think I should do them? Do you think I should hold off on them? Do you think I should do live videos versus editing the videos? Or do you think I should do live unboxings and then do the reviews edited? So let me know what you guys think down below, and we'll have a discussion about it. Now, let's get to this. I'm super excited. I've been holding this for about 2 days now since it came, and I can't wait to get started using it. I've just been trying to figure out how I'm going to do the video of it. Like I said, I was going to try and do it live, and that didn't work out, so here we are. Got the nice Dell logo. Looks like they've got plenty more tape on here. Now, I do want to mention, I didn't want to spend the extra money on getting, it was about $800 more to try and get the one with 32 gigs of RAM and the 1 terabyte hard drive. So what I opted to do instead is I opted to upgrade the memory and the hard drive myself, as well as the Wi-Fi card, because a lot of the reviews that I've been seeing, they've been having issues with the wireless card in this thing. So I found the wireless card, the recommended one to replace it with. Intel, I believe it's a 9260 Wi-Fi card for $20. So I figured I might as well get it replaced, and then I don't have any issues right from the get-go. Wow, they really do kind of secure this in here. What do we got? there's the box. Looks like we got a power cord, 130 watt. And we've got the other end of the power cord. This whole box is very light. I am actually pretty surprised how light. When it came, I picked it up. It was extremely light. Oh wow, the inside of this box is padded. So they really did a good job at keeping this protected while shipping. There we go. That thing is nice. I've had 15 inches most of my life for laptops, minus this Microsoft Surface 6. This is just to connect the power cord, finish Windows, that kind of stuff. So, doesn't look like there's anything else. That's about it. Let's go ahead and open this up. I've heard this thing is pretty easy to get in here and upgrade, so we will be doing that probably in a future video. I did purchase the stuff right here. This is the Intel AC9260 wireless card. I looked it up on the Crucial's website. I can put the link down below, but we've got 32 gig kit, two 16 gig sticks of the correct DDR RAM that goes in here. So we will be installing that. And then I've got the Samsung 970 Pro SSD. I've heard that the Pro's not necessarily needed, but when I looked at the specs, the reads were the same as the normal Evo, but the write speeds were almost double. So I figured if I'm going to spend the money and do the upgrade, I might as well get the best, especially for the video editing that I'm going to be doing, because I'm used to the Microsoft Surface 6 that just can't handle the editing. So I don't want to take my chances. I wanted the best that I can get at this point without spending $4,000 on a razor or something like that. So it's not quite as thin as I expected, but it is light for the laptop that it is. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Oh, that is very pretty. I really like the surface of this. I've had a lot of people tell me that this holds a lot of smudges and stuff, but time will tell. We'll have to see. I'm really liking this. Alright, well, there you guys have it for now. I'm going to have to go ahead and get this booted up. I did get the i7. I think I forgot to tell you that, but I did get the i7. So I'm going to go ahead and get this booted up. We'll have to get the Windows set up, that kind of thing, and we'll take another look at it. Okay, now that we did the unboxing, I'm still in love with this machine. The more I look at it, I'm not very big on shiny things, but this is like a dull finish. It's not like a shiny silver, it's like a dull brushed nickel type silver. The 4K screen, let me show you here, boots up very, very fast. It does get, as you can probably see, fingerprints all over the screen. Show up very easily, but we'll just have to keep our fingers off of it, hopefully. As you can tell, the screen is beautiful. So Fingerprint reads great right off the bat. The screen is very vibrant and colorful. I love the keyboard travel. It's really good. The mouse works really good. The surface on the keypad area and touchpad area, they're very prone to getting grease and fingerprint marks and that kind of stuff. It's going to be hard to keep it clean, but if that's not an issue for you, if you don't mind that, that's a great laptop. The web camera is down below. A lot of people have complained about that. I personally don't care. I don't use the webcam. It would have been nice to have the Windows Hello off of the webcam, but other than that, the webcam, usually the webcams that are built in I don't use. They're usually not as good of quality. I hear this one can be decent quality, but again, I'm just not in the habit of using the laptop web cameras, so I won't do that. Therefore, that one doesn't bug me out. Like I said, we can lock it up here and you can see how fast the fingerprint works. And you actually, when you register it, you have to do it all different kinds of angles and ways, so it kind of helps. I haven't had any issues with the fingerprint reader at all. Reads my finger just fine. Daylight, nighttime, any kind of situations I've had, it really just reads it pretty good. You also can set up multiple fingerprints, so you can use other fingers if you're doing something you need to use your other hand or anything like that. Then you can do that kind of stuff. I love the thin bezels along the edge. I would rather have that than the webcam. I know, like I said, the webcam's been a big complaint, but again, for me, I really don't care. So I think this is going to be a great machine. I have thrown a few programs on here, OneNote, Office, Premiere, that kind of thing. I have not had a chance to edit yet, but the next few videos will definitely be done on this and going forward, actually. So I'm hoping that it's going to be good. Like I said, I do have the upgrades that I am going to do. We'll link that once they come out. We'll link it in a card or something right up here and go from there. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you've gained some interest out of this. Hope you liked my video. If you did, please subscribe below. If you haven't already, click the bell so you can get the future notifications. Go ahead and hit us up on Twitter at review_easy. And you can hit us up on Instagram and Facebook at Easy Choice Reviews. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.